Hello students, I am Mrs. Reema Sengupta from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai. This is the remote learning initiative taken by Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, affiliated to CBSE. Today I am going to teach English literature for standard 7th, the story of cricket part 1. Sports is an integral part of a healthy life. It is one way in which we amuse ourselves, compete with each other, and stay fit. Among the various sports such as hockey, football, and tennis, cricket appears to be the most appealing national entertainment in today's life. But how much we know about cricket? We are going to learn this in this chapter. Cricket grew out of the many stick and ball games played in England 500 years ago. The word bat is an Old English word that simply means stick or club. By the 17th century, cricket had evolved enough to be recognizable as a distinct game. Till the middle of the 18th century, bats were roughly the same shape as hockey sticks, curving outwards at the bottom. There was a simple reason for this. What was that reason? Because the ball was bowled underarm along the ground, and the curve at the end of the bat gave the batsman the best chance of making contact. One of the peculiarities of cricket is that a test match can go on for 5 days and still end in a draw. No other modern team sport takes even half as much time to complete. A football match is generally over in an hour and a half. Even baseball completes 9 innings in less than half the time that it takes to play a limited overs match, the shortened version of modern cricket. Another curious characteristic of cricket is that the length of the pitch is specified 22 yards, but the size or shape of the ground is not. Most other team sports such as hockey and football lay down the dimensions of the playing area. Cricket does not. Grounds can be oval like the Adelaide Oval or nearly circular like Chepauk in Chennai. A 6 at the Melbourne Cricket Ground needs to clear much more ground than it does at Firoz Shah Kotla in Delhi. There is a historical reason behind both these oddities. Cricket was the earliest modern team sport to be codified. The first written laws of cricket were drawn up in 1744. They stated the principals shall choose from amongst the gentlemen present 2 umpires who shall absolutely decide all disputes. The stumps must be 22 inches high and the ball across them 6 inches. The ball must be between 5 and 6 ounces and the 2 sets of stumps 22 yards apart.